I'm Riku Ujima. I'm 29. It was summer and I decided to take a little vacation. Unfortunately, I was still single, so I was traveling solo. Total Resorts. It should be a lot of fun. They got a pool, a hot spring bath, a theme park, and a mall. Man, I cannot wait. I didn't like airplanes, so I decided to go somewhere I can go by train. It took longer, but I didn't mind at all. What's his problem? Why is he sitting like that? The woman next to him seems upset. A few minutes later, she grabbed her stuff and walked out of the cart. Maybe she went to the non-reserved seats, but the train looked pretty full. Ugh, this guy. He's so rude. Guys like him ruin it for everyone. I feel bad. Excuse me?
Yeah?
I'm in the seat across from you, and if you want, I can switch with you.
Huh?
That dude next to you, he was bothering you, right? I could tell. It's probably because you're a young woman. He thinks he can do anything he wants.
You sure about this?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much. I still got hours to go, so I didn't know what to do. I hate airplanes. That's why I took the Shinkansen, but I was starting to regret it. Anyways, thank you.
Sure. I hate airplanes too, by the way. I'm going to Hokkaido. You?
Oh, same. What are the odds? But that means you still got a few hours to go. If he keeps bothering you, let me know and you can have your seat back.
No worries. Excuse me.
Huh? That's not your seat.
Actually, now it is. I asked that woman to switch seats with me. Is there a problem with that?
No.
Then he stopped bothering me and started minding his own business. He was being arrogant because he thought she wouldn't just say anything. I knew it. It was kind of funny how his attitude changed so quickly. I looked over at the woman and she smiled at me. That went well. Our plan worked perfectly.
Yeah, thanks again. So, you here on vacation?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, have a good one.
Thanks. You too. Thanks to her, I'm loving this trip already. After that, I went to town for sightseeing and headed to the hotel. Wow, look at this place. Hey, is that...
Hey, it's you!
Hey, you're staying here too?
Well, my dad owns the place.
Oh, really?
Hello, sir. She was just telling me about you. Thank you for helping her out on the train.
Sure, no worries. I did what anyone else would have done.
I don't know about that, sir. You're a true gentleman.
That's nice of him to say. I was really surprised that he was the owner of the hotel. Then when I went to eat dinner, they upgraded my meal free of charge. It was delicious. The food was amazing, thank you.
Sure. Is this your first time here?
Yeah.
This place has a theme park and a mall. If you want, I can show you around tomorrow.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thanks, that'd be great. So, what was your name?
Hinako Toto. Nice to meet you.
I'm Riku Ojima. Nice to meet you too. Well, see you tomorrow.
Alright, good night.
So I made a new friend on the road. Next day, she showed me around the resort.
That roller coaster was a lot of fun.
I didn't know you liked roller coasters.
Yeah, I love rides.
Got such a cute smile. This is nice.
Sorry, I never asked you what you wanted to do.
Don't be, I'm having a great time.
You sure?
Yeah, so where to next?
Let's go on that one then. I've been riding that thing since I was a kid.
We had a great time together. We played together like little kids. I can remember the last time I had this much fun. But time flies when you're having a good time, and now it's time for me to go home.
Hajima-san!
Ah, Toto-san, hey! Thanks for the wonderful time.
Sure. Please, come again.
Of course!
Dad, I'm gonna walk him to the station.
Oh, I don't want to bother you, it's fine.
I insist. I just want to spend more time with you, that's all.
Oh,
I had so much fun yesterday and, well, I'm gonna miss you. Hey, can I get your number?
I had a great time too. And of course, here we go.
Thanks.
So we exchanged contact info before I left. What an amazing trip that was. Hajima, we're gonna go see the new clients at Anashiko Corporation. Get your stuff. Roger that. The next day I was back at the office. I felt really good. But then when I got to the client's office, I ran into that guy on the train.
Ugh, it's you.
Oh, you know him?
Not really, but he was very rude to me on the train the other day. He was sitting next to me and he was taking up all the space. I told him to stop many times, but he wouldn't listen.
What?
We were probably on vacation, but I was on a business trip, you know? I was exhausted and he made everything so difficult for me.
Is this true? No, sir, Ugh, he's the one who was bothering the others. I could try and explain what happened, but I don't know if my boss would have believed me.
When people are outside the office, they show their true selves. So I don't know if I want to do business with you guys anymore. I have other companies I can call, you know.
Then he canceled the contract. I told the boss what happened, but we still lost the client, and he was very upset. It's Toto-san. Hello?
Hey, sorry to call so late. I was just wondering how you were doing.
Toto-san.
You busy?
No, not at all. It's so nice to hear from you. I was feeling pretty upset, so...
Why? What happened?
Well, that guy on the train, I ran into him today.
What?
He was a new client of ours, and... Then I told her what had happened earlier that day.
That's not right. And you only switched seats with me to help me. What kind of person does that?
Well, we canceled the contract and my boss wasn't very happy. He said he'll try to talk to them again, but sorry to nag like this.
Don't be.
Thanks for listening, though. I feel better.
Of course. Hey, why don't you come to the hotel again next time you're able to take some time off?
I love that. Thank you. Well, I guess I got something to look forward to now. 2 days later, we got a call from Enashiko Corporation, and they made a formal apology to us and signed with us again. You serious?
Yeah, and the CEO specifically asked for you to be in charge.
I'm flattered, but why?
Not sure, but I think they found out what really happened. And that guy who tried to cut us off, he got demoted. Anyways, I'm sorry I raised my voice at you.
Oh, don't be. I know how hard you've been working to get their business, so... How did the CEO of Enashiko Corporation find out? Later that day, I called Todo-san, and it turns out it was all thanks to her. She saw his card in the train and remembered the company name. Enashiko Corporation did business for her father's company, and she knew that. She wasn't going to say anything to her father, but... When she heard about what happened, she reached out to her father for help. Then he called the CEO of Enashiko Corporation, and that's how it happened.
Sorry, I should have asked you first, but I just couldn't let him do that to you.
Oh, don't be sorry. I'm really glad you did what you did. Thank you.
Of course.
Hey, you said you were coming to Tokyo for a business trip, right? Can we meet up?
Of course.
Well, let me know when you're here.
Will do.
Alright, see you in a bit. She's so sweet. I can't wait to see her again.
I'm really glad I was able to help him out. I can't wait to see him.
It was starting to grow on me. 3 weeks later, she was in town for a business meeting, so I took her out to dinner. We had a great time together. We texted each other almost every day, and a few months later, I went back to Hokkaido to see her again. Then... I really like you. Will you go out with me?
I really like you too. I'd love to go out with you.
I asked her out and she said yes. For now, it was going to be a long-distance relationship, but she said she was moving to Tokyo soon, so can't wait. Anyways, glad everything worked out.
Rude people like him ruin it for everyone. Anyways, glad things worked out for them. It's almost summer vacation. I wonder where I should go this year. See you tomorrow.